So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. I was checking some information for get the best scenario for today. Remember, today is a funk day. Okay. Okay. So gold is doing the same thing as last June 17th. That was the last. Okay, this is the 4H. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. It will jump and then fall. So well, the price will continue falling. We need to wait the price go back. I think it's going to test the 40 39.76 75. Now the waterfall will continue for some hours, I think. So let's see what happened. I think the phone today is not going to change the interest rate, to be honest. But well, we have 4 hours. 4 hours starting now for get the best decision. How to get the Telegram, my friend. 1 month subscription is $65, or lifetime subscription it's for um $195. Tomorrow and next Friday is the last time with the same prices. Next Monday I will increase the prices just in case. So two options at this moment. Yes, guys. If you want to receive the explanation, minimum 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. We're in 50 likes. So try to help me with the likes. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay. The price is almost touched the 40.15. Okay, so let's prepare this. The price is almost there. We need to wait minimum the 40.15 for open the trade. And we will open the sell position, guys. Sell position. 100 likes, guys. 100 likes for see the complete chart. Just we need 40 likes more. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. 60 likes. Just we need 30 likes more. So waiting, guys. We need to touch minimum 40.15. Just smart is here. Okay, 3 minutes. Let me read the chat. 20 likes more for get the complete charts. Okay, sup. Tyrone is here. Tony Gold. Congratulations for Tokyo session, Lewis. Thanks, my friend. I didn't realize nice long. That's pretty good. The long position for 40.13. Then a second entry for 40.23. That was great. That was great. Recovering the account. Finally, again with the 10,000. Jesus is here. Welcome, my friend. Capper is here. Trading Junkie. Welcome, my friend. Diego, mi amigo. Pura vida. Okay, Jonathan Tete. How long are you doing to be in live for? I'm going to stay here for around 4 hours. 4 hours. Thanks, my friend, for Jovan. Thanks, my friend. Yes, let's continue with the likes, guys. Just thanks. 10 likes more. Neno, buen día, jefe. Buenos días, mi amigo, pura vida. London session was good. Hope this New York session will be the same. Yes. José, mi amigo, pura vida. Seguimos. Okay, 100 likes. Let me explain here what we have at this moment. So yesterday we tried to use the buy sum near to the 40.23 for open the long position. As you can see, 40.23 touch the sell zone in 1 hour. Around 40.51 and give us that beautiful reaction. So it break the structure, giving us the 40.16 as a point of reference for open this rate near to near to 40.15. So yes, here as you can see, just we need to wait the retracement 40.15 for open the short position. And I believe we can go to the 39.80. Let's see what happens in the next hours. We have right now we have 3 hours and 30 minutes for open a trade. I'm not going to trade during the funk, just in case, just for everyone be clear here. Okay. So let's see. That could be inclusive. 40.12 could be a good point, but we need that retracement, guys. We need that retracement. So let's wait. This is the sell zone. If you don't understand the why we will open the trade, this is the volume sell zone here, and the next stop is here into the 39.76. Let's see what happened. Pure patience as usual. If you don't want to sell and if you have a different idea, that's okay. Perfect. Dix is falling. Why gold is falling too? Because it's a funk day, my friend. Today is the day what the not too much things have sense. Well, let's see what happened. Bro, you didn't answer my call yesterday. Saravana, I don't think you called me, but I don't accept calls by WhatsApp. If you want to contact me, it's by WhatsApp as a message. And that's all. I will answer you with a message, no by the call. No, I'm not going to stay here during the news. So we need to take something to here. Let's see. Looks a great point. Macio, welcome, my friend. Bienvenido. Mhm. 8 minutes. The price trying to stay 40.10. That would be a good point. Optional. Gold is going to 39, right? Yes, probably yes. Ali, how much is your account or was your account? Waiting, guys. We traded like last Friday. The last trading Friday was really good, and the last trade for yesterday in New York session was pretty nice too. Mhm. No, I'm going to stay in the Fed event. I'm just going to stay here for 3 hours and 20 minutes starting now. If we don't get something there, just no trades for the funk day. Pura vida, bonito. ¿Cómo estás? Hmm. Falling. Okay, the price is going back. The X is going up. So for that reason, the price is trying to stay there. So the 1 hour candle is done. So okay, get okay. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not at this moment. Minimum, we need the 4013, guys. Mhm. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue talking. This moment, we don't have that much to do. Mm. Mhm. Where is the bison? The bison is there in 39.77. As you can see, it's a little four. Okay, so this is the last 5 minutes for the new candle. So let's be ready. Jesus, thanks for clarify that. Yes, if you're not into the Discord, so well, better to don't no comment. Here into the Discord, I present all the process what we're having. First, the sons from yesterday, 40.16 was the point what I was waiting. So that means I was waiting the 40.16. So for many moments, then the price go to the 40.16. I open it. Unfortunately, the price go up pretty fast. I wait the retrace to 40.23 to share the operation. So for that reason, you're seeing here. Let me see if I can open it. Open price 40.13.95, 40.23.96. The profits for yesterday, the TP2. So this is how it looks like. Then I explain here everything, information, same process here, explaining all my move. Capsai, this is for you. Where's the buy zone? The buy zone is 39.75. El cuervo de Odin oficial, sí, eso fue la entrada de. No, eso fue la entrada de Tokyo Session. La sesión de Tokio. Para mí fue la noche, pero fue luego de perder el último trade, el buy. Hice otro buy y ahí fue cuando lo tomamos. They're not going to change nothing, and that's my point of view. Okay, let's be ready, guys. $40 damn minimum. $40.10. This is the break of a structure. The thing here, like we have this point there. Could be a good option for the retest. This is the last candle. Whoa, still waiting the okay, so the price is in 40.05. Patito jugoso, pura vida, mi amigo. Saludos a México. I need to take a decision. Okay. I already explained why we will take the sell position. So if you don't understand the explanation, try to. $40.07. $0.08. Let's expect that. Our back, our book. $0.08. Almost touch the 411. $0.08. Consolidation there into the 0.8. Okay, that is the consolidation what we're having right now. It's good. 0.7, 0.8. Okay. Zero 07. Let's wait the 08 minimum. Zero 07. Hmm, Good. 09. That 40. 40 what? 21. Okay. 09 and 21. Step plus 40, 24. Mhm. Mhm. Working into the DPS. The stop loss is there. 40, 24. That 50. No more than that. $9.95. $39.95. $39 TP3. So well, we have 2 hours 45 minutes for see what happened. The position it's there. Let's expect something good. Remember, today is a funk day, so very difficult, right? Very difficult day. It's not that easy. Reaction looks like being by reaction. Let's see if it can continue. Testing the 08 again. Price trying to continue. Let's see. 700 people is here. So I expect the people who take this position, if you don't like it, you can close it or just continue. But everyone now it's in positive. So take your own decisions, guys. There. Trying to going back. First, we need to pass the 4,000. Then, if we pass the 4,000, we will easily touch the 39.95, 39.90. To be honest, I think the funk will not change nothing. That's all. Just continue like this. This is what I think. I'm not sure, you know. So, well, yes, we have 2 hours for this. Remember, guys, if you want to receive any if you want to receive any discount with the proper match, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see a really good options, really good discounts according to what you are looking for. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, instant funding. Many options there. The link is into the description. The link is into the chat, guys. So just click there and create an account. Okay, the price will test again the point of entry in 1 minute. Beautiful one candle for 60 pips. Okay, testing the point of entry again. 40.09. Let's see the reactions there. Hard reactions in 1 minute candle. Let's see if we get the same reactions for the sellers. Mhm. Trying to stay there. Trying to test again the 4010. Days like today, the curve length is not that high. DIX is going up, gold is going up. Well, it's a funk day, so not too much sense with this. So let's be ready for any results. Now we are into the point of entry. I don't want to see anyone crying because again, it's a funk day. It's a difficult week. We are into the 40, 24.50 into the point of entry. So if you can resist the pressure, just close the trade. As simple as that. Mhm. We have a point of reaction here to 4012. We have different point of reactions. 4012, 4017, 4020. So let's see. Of course, I don't want to see 4020. Me voy a comer tortuga ninja. 50 minutes ending in near to 4010. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 21. Still there, so quiet. For the 11, we need to stay under the 0.5. Looks difficult. But well, let's see. Going up slowly, but with force. If you take a better position than me, 40, 24, that 50, it's the stop loss. So what price trying to stay there? Let's see this 9 minutes. Trying to stay there. Forty 11, not that much consolidation there. Ah. Good reaction. Okay, this is the last 5 minutes. Let's see the reactions here. Here, if you don't like the trade, if you feel very stressful or something like this, it's your opportunity. If you understand the risk, if you understand it's not a normal week, you can hold with me. Saying there, this is the last 3 minutes. Let's expect the price continue under the 0.5, and then we can get the force for continue for the TP1. As usual, just waiting, pure patience. Let's see what we have. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back with the Telegram. There is the link. Just contact into the WhatsApp if you want to receive any support here, guys. Okay, so just go there, click into the link, and click into the information. Two minutes. Price is into the point of entry. Again, if you don't like the trade, you can contact it with no. You can close it with no pressure. If you feel stress, close it. Just click it there. If you don't like it, close it if you don't like it. Or if you are in positive, if you open the trade in 14, for example, you get enough pips. That's all. The rest, with more experience, you can hold with me. Okay, this is the last candle. Unfortunately, trying to lose him some force. That's it. if it can continue or not. It depends for the next seconds. But well, staying there into the 0.5. 4010. Doji. Mhm. Mhm. Your balance was yesterday in 8,700. Yes. Um, Remember, I trade during the Tokyo session for the VIP members. So there we can recover money. Well, some people discard, the Tokyo session, but Tokyo session is a really nice session. Really nice session. Yes, I can show you the Tokyo session here. First, I shared the information for sure. Here, that was the point 4016. And explain here. Then I waited the retracement around 4025, 4020. Well, my point was into the 4016. So I tried to open it into the 4013. I get that point, 4014. Then the retracement 4023 is when I shared the position because the 4013 was so fast and the 4023 was so quiet. So, well, the results, really good trade, really good profit. Um, and that's all. No, that's all. Mhm. That explanation was for Claudio. Do it for Anderson. Yes. Okay, Bishu is buying. Perfect. Follow your own strategy, guys. That's my first advice too. What is the UTC time for Tokyo session? Uh, I don't know. By my side, it's 8 p.m. It depends on where are you. For the people from Europe, it's pretty difficult because for them it's 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. It's not really common, in the culture to wake up early. But on my side, Tokyo session, it's 8 p.m., 7 p.m. Don't buy or sell. Nothing is valid. Nothing is valid now. It's a funk day again. I already explained like we're trying to do our best, but it's a funk day. A lot of different things can happen. So well, let's be prepared for anything, for all the results. You trade for America? No, I trade for Costa Rica. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Testing the 4013. 9 minutes. Let's see if we can go back and get something good. Eight minutes. Okay, price going back. Today is gonna buy. Today is a strum. Yes, we have time. We have 2 hours. 2 hours. If in 2 hours we didn't hit the stop loss, or we didn't hit the, if we don't hit the stop loss, if we don't hit the TPS, we will close it. Whatever. If the price stay here in 2 hours, we will close it. Okay. He hit iron hard. Trump said today he hit iron hard. Nah. Today is a funk day. I think the market don't care about Trump today, but let's see. You know, the last 2 days, the last weeks, awful, awful weeks. Pretty difficult weeks. Okay. Bro, I was going alone on goal, but after looking at your stream, I got into the depression. My friend, oh yeah, be lie. Follow your own analysis, my friend. That's the best thing. Even if you lose, you can win too. Today is not the today the only winners probably it's going to be the as usual the institutions and everything because they already know the results. They already know the information what we don't know. We thought like the everything happened in 3 hours, but no. Probably all of them will. They already know the information. Just is that the that's the it's nothing for them, you know. Okay, the price ending near to the point of entry. Okay, the price is trying to stay there. This is the best time to invest in gold, yes, but in real gold, or just if you have enough money, open a long position for in a long term. So let's see. What's we? Start. Do you know what cut report is? Let me see the cut. Nah, I don't know what is the cut report. To be honest, I don't care about the cut. The reports on news, whatever. I don't care about that. I try to avoid as much as I can the high impact news, the job list, the claims, the job list, the what is the other one? CPI, all of that. You can move to 1 hour time frame. I'm seeing the other charts in 1 hour. So it continue. The test is also 4015 and then give us some reactions. So let's expect something good. This also continue there. If the price break the 4015, that's a problem. 4015, 4016. Serem B. Puse. Ok, perfecto, sí. Ok, asegurar ya muchos stop loss. Sí, han sido días complejos. Mhm. Employment claim, yes. That's the many a lot of news, but well, by my side, to be honest, it's unnecessary information. Okay, the commitments for traders. Let's see. Yeah, for sure. They cut the different groups of traders, hedge funds, commercial head, and small traders are positioning in the future markets. I see. Yeah, some positions doesn't matter. A lot of information. It's better just keep it easy. You know. Keep it easy, guys. 10 minutes. Dixie is going up, so that's great. Let's go up. Remember, guys, 1 month subscription, $65. One person per day. That would be nice because I can locate, the people there. Well, I understand this is not the best month, so I understand if the people don't want to renewal and everything. But I appreciate if they go out of the channel. But now, for example, I ask like renewal, give 3 days, nothing, and the people still there into the Telegram. So that means they want the intention for them is just continue there without paying. So for that reason, one person per day for $65 helps me to clarify where is the people into the channel. Bro, how are your profit if you don't see news reports? What about SMC or Footprint? Because I don't trade during the news. I don't care about news. I don't care about reports. It's easier to be there. If you told me FT Moke, you are you live in the United States, you are related for that type of reports and everything. Your profession is analytics. Um, I would say yes, you can take advantage of that. But if you don't live in the United States, if you don't have a profession related for analytics to clarify the numbers and everything, it's totally unnecessary. Cell phone. Okay, the price is going up. Dix is going up. So I'm expecting the next 7 minutes, if it continues like this, we can see a good reaction for sellers into the buy some, sorry, to sell some. Who is the bullish here? Who is bullish? Who is bullish? So well, the bullish, yeah, by my opinion, it's 39.75. My win rate is good. The last week was great. For example, the last week we did 8 trades, 2 in break even, 3 in TP3, 1 full stop loss, 2 stops, but in a half. Going up into the 40.15. 40.15. Testing the point. Let's see if we can get some reaction there. It's just falling. I lose the pressure in 1 minute. Let's see if we can get something good in the last 5 minutes here. Let's see the reaction. Good reaction into the 4015. We need 5 minutes candle ends with a really good reaction there. So let's wait. Let's wait there. Again, if you take a better position than me, 4015, use the same stop loss 4024, that 50, no more than that, okay? Funky's in 2 hours. Yes, Roy. I know it's in 2 hours. We have 2 hours for see what happened with this trade. Roy, this is my sell sum. I already explained what. Let me see. 2 hours ago, I already explained this position. If you want to check what is the position, it's there. Lady in Matos, I just came here to see what's selling so I can enter on the buy. Perfect. Follow your own strategy. Ahorita vende, ahora 100% compro. Perfecto. Compra, compren, compren. Compren. Ahorita brother is a bison, so Roy, open your long position. FT Milk, word of advice, don't follow this guy, doesn't use footprint of no smart money concept. The opposite of this trade, sure. For sure, is FT Mook. So if you want to come here, just come here. Pretty simple. I'm not forcing no one to follow the trades, guys. Let's see, why do you always make lows on YouTube? That's not my intention. This is part of the. I already told you guys. Today's a fun day. Will be a difficult day. In my opinion, current and weekly buys are essential foundations of trading. They provide solid market talk dates before looking at answer. That's why I place more important of them. Abdelia, now in my experience, doesn't matter. But if you want to use it, good. Okay, bullish retracement is gonna jump again. Let's suspect it's going to go back. Yes. Okay, perfect. You're stressed? No, I'm not stressed. I'm okay. You sold too early. And try to wait, the 0.5, my friend. That's the point. For that reason, I mark it here. I try to use that point, and that's all. Um, as always, patience is the key. Yes, hard to predict. Fade out. Yes. Ok. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Pensé que no te conectabas. Ahí siempre anda Diego. The foreign in the comments are so funny. SMC. Yes. Use the strategy what you want, guys. Use the strategy whatever you want. if that helps you for open a position, that's great. In my opinion, you don't need the news, you don't need the reports for open a trade. So it's pretty simple. Don't listen to haters, bro. You're doing good. Thanks, my friend. How do you wait for so long? Have you booked partials? No, no partials because the price is into the point of entry. I love to enter this channel. I love a lot with the comments. Some people is funny, including you. TP1 coming now. Let's expect. Yes, we got the two shooting stars there. Let's expect we can get a good reaction there. Sale todo mal. Karelin, ¿cómo estás? You're right on the sell, but it's risky here, mate. Yeah, nothing is sure, right? We are into the point of entry. If you don't like the trade, just close the position. Simple. It's pretty simple. Just close the position if you don't like the trade. Karelin, querida, mi amiga, ¿cómo estás? Espero estés bien. Lleva tiempo de no leerte por aquí. Espero estés bien. Mm, Intento usar todo mal. TP is coming. Let's expect yes, TPM will come. We need to pass the zero, well, this 40.05. If the 50 minutes candle ends in that point, we will see easily the 39.97 and then the 39.95. But it depends for the next candles, guys. You're from India? No, I'm from Costa Rica. Sin chelitos, bueno, esperemos que volvamos con fuerza. Este mes ha estado bastante complejo, la verdad. Demasiada cosa. Tuvimos semanas muy buenas cuando se dio el ceasefire. Pero bueno, es parte de ello. Price again near to the 4011. Let's see what happened in the 4015. We need to stay there again. Let's see what happened. Again, holding. Silver looking good. Perfect. Going up again. Nice aggressive candle for buyers. For around 30 pips. So let's see. Supply. We need to break the 4011. 1 hour. Okay. Okay, let's see if we get a good reaction there. 4015 again. Let's see if this is the last point or the last test. This is the last 8 minutes. Testing the 4015. Aggressive candle. Our last point of reaction is near to 4020. But again, I don't want to see that point. Let's see if at least it can goes back to the 4011. That would be a great signal. Yes, it's ranking into the point of entry. 4015. Mm-hmm. 4014. This is the last 5 minutes, so let's expect something good to happen here. With the last 5. Mm-hmm. 40.15. Trying to stay there, but with not a good reaction. Two minutes. Not a good reaction. The last two candles. So, well, it will break the 0.5, breaking the break of a structure there. So now we have this. Now we need to break the 40.13 if we want to go back to the point of entry and then continue for the TPS. Let's see. Okay, 50 minutes more. If we don't see a candle for 100 pips, let's see. Staying there. Yeah, they're trying to defend the 40.15, but that was enough. So 40.16 now. So the first 5 minutes will be decisive for the candles. If we can go back to the 40.13, It will depend for the next 5. For Dixie, yes, Dixie, it's falling a little, it's not that much, but it's into the resistance zone. So I think for that reason that it's falling. 4017, holding the same position. And again, if you're going to open the trade or something like this, 4024, that 50, it's the stop loss. Today is not a day for open trades or change stop loss. We have around 1 hour and 12 minutes. Yes. 1 hour and 12. I would say 1 hour and 12. 1 hour and 12 minutes for the funk. So now it's pure patience, guys. 10 minutes before the funk starts, the funk's results. I'm going to close the trade, if we don't hit the stop loss, for example. So it will depend for the next candles. Trying to stay there. 2, 3 candles in red, but we need 4s. That's all. Trying to stay there into the 40-15. $40.16. Consolidation there. Going up to 40. Again, 40.12. It's our last point of reaction. Let's see if they want to give us something good there. If we don't see something good in 40.12, that will be all. 40.19, 40.18. $17. Little reaction here to 40.20, but not that much. Stay there. Quiet reactions. Bum, 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 bum. I left too long. With spike. Need a time to think through from my mind. Could I believe? Mm-hmm. 40-15 again. Okay, going back to the 40-15. But it's nothing. We need to go to the 40-12 if we want to see something good. If not, nothing happened. 7 minutes more. Let's see if we can survive here or not. It depends for the next candles. Sí, probablemente. Okay, 17. Mm-hmm. 40-17 again. That's like a little consolidation there. Can be still be real. And this is the last 5. Seven still there. 16, 15. Let's see. The last 5 minutes can give us something good. If we will test again the 40-20, probably we are not going to see a good reaction. So let's see. Let's see there. It's all about the patience. Again, respect your stop loss. Your stop loss is 40, 24, that 50, more than that. So be clear of that, okay? 3 minutes. Two minutes, trying to stay near to the 40-17 with not that much. Now the price looks so quiet. So nothing there, just a little reaction. But that reaction is not enough. First, go back to the 0.5. Second, break the 40.08. Third, break the 40.05. And try to get the 39.95. That's all. If we go back, the point of entry, if you don't like the trade, of course, it's not the best trade, but I have awful reactions for buyers now. So, well, now 20 seconds for end this candle near to the 40.16. That's not that bad. Some possibilities. Let's see. Okay, 40 minutes. So they're trying to go back to the 40 or 50, not that much. So well, guys, yes, I'm seeing the chat this being really hard today, but well, it happens. It happens, People like this guy, like I'm going to expose. If you want to insult me and everything, I'm going to expose yourself. For for show the people how like different things what we have. It's a really difficult day. Yes, I already call. For example, this guy give. For example, him. Since he saw I recovered the account and everything, starting like blame him. But they don't remember, this type of good moments. We have good moments. We have bad moments. We have good moments like this. And I would say 90% of the people is like this, like first come here doing some shit, doing some bad comments, and then if I see the chat and everything, um, I'm seeing many good comments in the beginning. But well, we have good weeks, we have good trades, we have bad weeks, we have um, bad months. Yes, like this. Like pretty pretty easy. Pretty easy. This trade being really good, and then in 50 minutes it's pretty bad. You know, the market conditions don't care about the accounts or many things of many difference. Many different positions, whatever. You know, well, it happens. Still there. Trading 40 ATM. So let's see what happened. Let's see if you were patient as usual. If you don't like it, you can close it early. Assuming the negative for sure. Mm. Going back to ATM. Mm. Something like this guy. You know, everyone like looks like this. You know, again. So, guys, again, if you are not prepared for lose, just get out of my channel, guys. Get out of my channel. Simple as that. Pretty simple, guys. It's a difficult days, yes, I know. I'm trying to do my best, yes, as usual. But well, as you can see, many people here. It's it's part of the it's part of the process, you know. It's part of the trading, lose or not. So well, I'm trying to be. I'm still honest. I'm still honest. If you don't want to see losses, this is not your channel. We will hit the stop. Yes, we will hit the stop. Another stop in New York session. Yes, another stop in New York session. I will try to recover in Tokyo session. Yes, I will try to recover in Tokyo session. So this is the reality. Whatever you have in the in your account, whatever you have in your mind, following the all the strategy for since 4 years ago, 3 years ago, doing the same steps, you will have bad weeks or bad months. So it's very simple. Now it's in 4023, and probably we will hit this stop loss, unfortunately. Mhm. Price going to touch the stop loss in the next minutes. So please respect the stop loss, guys. Respect the stop loss. Respect the stop loss, guys. Almost there. Just 6 pips more. This stop is there, guys. Okay. Let me go this. Back in Tokyo session. Perfect. So while the hit is there, probably we have we will see prices around 40, 41 again, 40, 45 could be an option. It will depends of that. So please take care of that and respect the stop loss, guys. Respect the stop. In 1 hour, we will see the funk. So New York didn't give us any good positions for today. Well, this week, New York being pretty difficult. For trades, for losses, Tokyo, one win, one break even. Difficult positions there. Dos más, mentira, menos. 62, 90, 90. Oh, I think this is the first month in this year that we will end in negative. Exists that possibility? Probably yes, but well, it happens. Really bad month. Really bad month. But well, let's be ready. Let's continue trying to respect the stop loss, trying to respect the your account. You know, the stop loss is there for one reason. Try to survive, and please, 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 never open an stop loss. Okay, never open an stop loss, please. Mhm. Hey, let me see this. Goes now. Okay, good. It's close. Okay. Sure, it's being only negative month. Yes, some negative months. So on YouTube because I noticed my trace were by call is reget. Okay, guys, I told you go fly. Yes, probably I was expecting a little hard reactions for sellers due to really nice candles in Dixie, but now Dixie is falling so well. It happens. Okay, 42 in the next 2 days. You guys are just stupids. Okay, humor. You just if you don't like it, just don't come here. Okay, and probably you're the smart guys in the chat for sure. Re-entry, no the re-entry. No the re-entry, guys. Remember, in 1 hour we will see the funk. So for that reason, not a re-entry today. One bad month out of the 6, it's completely normal. Exactly. Let's try to recover some to me in Tokyo session. I will try to do something good in Tokyo. But well, unfortunately, the trade today was in negative. Let's take in here. Now the buy some is the now the sell some needs to buy some. Again, 40, 45. I think this kind of market is important to trade with a stop loss. Yes, that's the most important thing. F manipulation, but weak. Mm, I never think in that manipulation. Just is the market being the market. Mr. Justin, get out of my channel. Trading is balance, wins and losing, success and reward risk depends. Radio expectations, formula and discipline and psychology. Exactly. Exacto, Diego. Gracias. Stop loss hit. Yes, stop loss hit. Just market reacts to flip the sound. It will down. I don't think so. The next song is around 40, 45. So take care. Just don't hold positions in negative, guys. Please. Don't hold positions in negative, please. Alice Sabahar, yes, I'm pretty sure I have more money than you. If you don't like the channel again, unfollow me. Guys, unfollow me. I appreciate that. Shoot the trains against you and the train hit the TPs. Yes, many people doing against me. That's great. Fool. Mm, Jorbim. Another asshole. Always seeing the things, and never remember, guys. Again, well, as usual, or as a pleasure. I've been following for. I've been following you for 2 days. Yes, 2 days. Really bad days. You sent for my what? You sent for my money. I'm trading. You trading. Alisa Bahar, for your name, I can imagine you're the type of the house, the type of the life you have, my friend. So just go to another channels. Luz, but I'm still with you. CD, thanks. Rosemary, I appreciate your knowledge. Learning alone. Focus on the next trade, the positive comments community. Trading is 50-50. Yes, trading is 50-50. It's difficult, it's difficult. But well, it's an stop loss. This is the results for the week. I will try to do something good tonight with the Tokyo session for recovering this trade. Um, 4 trades with a stop. Not too much to do. Don't cry. Yes, many people cry here today. Well, thanks guys for the good comments too. Thanks for the. Can you go to live in Tokyo? No, Tokyo is for the people in the group. Why then though one don't they your own work analysis and trade their own if they can stop insulting? I don't know. They just like to come here and want to insult me. But well, I'm okay because I'm pretty sure they always, at least one moment in his life, you say thank you. Thanks for the profit. But that is the that is the reality in YouTube, you know. Like if you lose if you have a 2 week, 1 week, a really bad week, many people is going to come to insult you and everything. This is the process every month. This is the process every week. So, but well, it happens. It happens. Alvaro, you're a great person. We make profit soon. Yes, we will make profit soon. I appreciate that. Your songs are valid. Most of my songs are valid, but again, I did the call like um as a friendly reminder. You need to use the correct load size and everything. But well, Sigma, yes, I'm a good person. I'm a good person, but it doesn't matter. You know, if you lose, people will not respect you. Mhm. Mm. Nos vemos, eres grande, gracias, amigo. Today, may a good morning session, perfect. I really appreciate your support. Doesn't matter, friend. Again, you know the people in the bad moments, not in the good moments. Because in the good moments, everyone come here, say thanks, and then I'm going to start see my community, and this is the type of community what I have, and that is good, you know, because that means at least in what moment of your life you did a really good trade with me and get a really nice profit with me. But well, in the bad times, you see the people, and this is you can apply that in all aspects of your life, guys. You know, in the when you're having really bad times, you will see when or where is your friends. You know, your real friends, or probably no friends, just your family. I will apply for the community. You know, in the bad times, uh, and well, it happens. It will happens. Times times like this. Now, Mr. Justin, again, I'm not Jesus Christ, so I don't care about if you are saying sorry. Just get out of my channel. Mhm. Pura vida, mi amigo. I watch film. Good. Howdy, howdy. Again, if you don't like the channel, just get out of the channel. It's an stop loss, okay, of interest rate, yes, in 1 hour. Price come down again. Probably yes, probably no. It depends for the funk today. Price can come down again. Probably yes. This is the key. All should wait and being traded middle of where. I like your style. Respect your stop loss. For sure, I will respect the stop loss. Can you imagine if I don't respect the stop loss now? But I'm pretty sure um, right now some people is holding position in 350 pips in negative. You know, that's not the idea. Michael Prietzi, another day is sunny, sometimes it rains, and the market is always in our side. Yes, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure, guys. Like someone is holding that negative. So please respect the stop loss like this, guys. That's the only thing what I'm requesting here. Okay. Thanks for your commitment. I went against it, but let's refresh on the next one move. Exactly, Ronnie. I'll be there. Don't give a response. Just I want to expose them, like saying shit, and then I go into the historical, always saying things. They are so graceful and everything. So well, continues today. It's hitting stop loss. Mat me. Yes, this is the list as we can see. 40 stop loss, 40 days. I'll be back tomorrow in New York session for see what happened. Just try to don't follow open the stop loss, guys. Very soon moves right now, yes, but um for sellers there was a sell soon, so for that reason it's moving there. But it doesn't matter. We are not going to take any position. In 23, next time set the break even. Hold your position as much as you can. I have seen a lot of your trades that went well and people appreciate you. Yes, but when I did a good trade, most of the people don't react. Like when I do a bad trade, many people uh, give us, that type of comments and everything, and for that reason, I'm share, the information for them and everything. But well, I appreciate the people who likes this, who understand um, this is a difficult times, difficult day, the funk and everything. But well, I was overlooking chart now. Even with the hair, we will lose positions. This not depends on us. Depends of 2 or 3 guys around the world and 2 or 3 countries around the world. When is the funk news? In some minutes, in 1 hour. Thanks, my friend. Just smart. One of my oldest viewers, subscriber, a member of the community. Appreciate that, my friend. Thanks for that support. Thanks for the good comments. Really hard week. I'll be back in Tokyo session for recover this for my community. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened tomorrow. For the people in Tokyo session, I'll be back in 8 hours. And for the rest of the people, I come here for New York session, guys. The funk is in 1 hour or 40 minutes. 40 minutes. You charge people belong to a group? Yes. And charge people belong to a group. So if you want to be part of the community, just contact back into the WhatsApp. Don't upset when the heat is on. As I said before, people look at leaders. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I'm just showing the reality. First, saying things, saying everything. Since same as you, you know. You can see your comments, you know. Many people just come here trying to say things. Same for you. I'm not mad. I'm just seeing the reality what it happens. You know, it's just a week, it's just some trades. I'm not mad. If you are mad, I think it's mad with yourself. You know, pretty simple, right? I'm just showing why and how the people change pretty quick. Okay, pretty simple, right? To change the mind. I know I need to give a really good product and everything, but it's very difficult. Some people think like, yes, this guy enjoyed to lose in New York session and then recover in Tokyo. No, because no one wants to come with us if I lose in New York session. I will recover in Tokyo session. Probably yes. Probably yes, because the people there trust me, trust in my work, trust in all my information, all my knowledge. But again, it's just a week. Check all the information. Check all the, for example, one member in Discord told me like, no, it's impossible to be in positive or something like this. I would explain him like, count the traits. He asked me like, give me the traits for this month. I can give you the peeps, the traits. If you want to check it by yourself. That's your work. I complete my work, giving you the signals and everything. I'm trying to do it by myself. Everything is on me. I accept my responsibility. So, but just before say something negative, I'm pretty sure, at least 2 or 3 times you came here and get a really good results. So, for that reason, I show the rest for the new people here, for the old people here, the old comments. For everyone, see, like how it's pretty easy, to have different point of views, and people change really fast, you know, really fast, really quick. But well, that's okay. That's okay by my side. Everything will continue. That is the difference between me and the haters. Everything will continue. I'll be back tomorrow with no problems. All clear. For the people in Tokyo, probably we will recover that rate. Um, Next month probably will be better. Okay, so see you there, guys. See you tomorrow. The good people, see you tomorrow. The bad people, see you tomorrow. The haters, see you tomorrow. The really nice members, see you tomorrow. The new members, see you tomorrow. Everything will continue, guys. Nothing happened, and don't take it personal. You know, I just share the different comments, and that's all. Okay. If you want to be part of the team, there is a WhatsApp. The only way to contact me. And for sure, if you want to be part of the community into the profit match, there is the option. Profitmatch.com if you want to clarify the positions and everything. Sorry, the what is the best prop firm and the rest of the information. There is the info, guys. By my side, I'm going to IMAX for see the Odyssey. And that's all. Continue with my life. The rest of the haters, probably you have many hours more for continue work. See you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for everything. See you soon, guys. See you tomorrow for the YouTube. I'm in Tokyo session for around 8 hours.